Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time seeing this face, you're welcome. And if you're my returning subscriber, thanks for returning back to this channel. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. So today I'll be sharing an effective, mild, beautiful body scrub, lightening body scrub. Yes. So guys, this scrub is very effective on the skin. It lightens the skin. Okay, if you're looking for a body scrub you can use to lighten up your skin, this scrub is for you. You know you want to lighten up, this scrub is for you. So stay on this channel, please do not go. So without wasting much of your time watching the video, the first one on my list you'll be needing as the ingredient to make this body scrub is our brown sugar. Yes, we need brown sugar. Brown sugar is very mild on the skin, soft and mild. Okay, that is why I said this scrub is mild and effective in lightening. So we need 500 grams of our brown sugar. So the second one is coconut oil. Yes, I love using coconut oil to make scrub. You can also use olive oil. Yes, if you cannot get coconut oil, you can use olive oil. You'll be using 60 ml of coconut oil. Yeah. So the third one on my list is turmeric essential oils. You know, I've said it before on my channel that we have lots of essential oil. So today I am picking one of the essential oil, which is turmeric oil. Turmeric essential oil. You need 15 drops of turmeric oil, essential oil. Remember, turmeric essential oil. Okay, after adding your turmeric to this scrub, we need 1 teaspoon, not a tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of our green tea leaf. Yes, we need 1 teaspoon of it. You mix all together and package for use. Very easy. If you have a mild body wash, so you can add it. If you have a mild body wash, you can add it to your scrub if you wish. Okay, it is not compulsory, but if you wish, if you want your scrub to have more effects, like strong lightening product in it, you can add. Okay, but it is not compulsory. Very easy to make, very effective to make. So guys, I don't know why you guys have not subscribed to my channel. You guys are watching my videos, you're not subscribing. Please subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. So if there is anything you want me to talk about on skincare product or enhancement product, please drop it on the comment section, and do well to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. I love you guys. Bye.